Hi, I'm Scott Rudisell, the Integrated Technology Specialist for the Northern Territory, and today we're going to do an overview of the AFS Connect Farm. So, AFS Connect Farm would be CASE IH's agronomic solution for desktop software, replacing the AFS View and AFS desktop software. So, inside here, we have the dashboard, which we can create reports, we can create activities, we can also see jobs in a calendar view. To pull in any data, we would hit this plus sign. So here we can add work as well as upload data. As you can see, we accept not only our CASE proprietary software, but as well as John Deere, ISO. If we go to our third-party data, we can go to our supported formats and see that we also accept anything from AGCO, Ag Leader, all the way down through John Deere, New Holland, Precision Planting, Raven, and Trimble. So really it accepts any kind of software or any kind of data. So after we add in the data, I'll show you what we would see after we added in some yield data. So we would select the farm, the field up here. Over on the left-hand side, we can look at our yield data. We would hit a check mark, would overlay a yield map. We can also overlay the soil map or application maps, whatever we have in here. We can actually reduce the fill so we can see patterns. If there's any drainage issues, if there's a soil type that would be better for a variety, or we can even overlay an application map to see if there was a fertilizer or chemical application that affected yield. All within here. As well as we can generate a report. So we can do it as an application, we can do it by product, a harvest, or a layer. You can get them exported out as an Excel file or a PDF file, whichever you prefer. Then if we wanted to export data out, we have the option to export it to a thumb drive or over the air using AFS Connect file transfer. So if we're going to use USB, we can send it out as a CN1 file. The RCD file would be the John Deere file format, as well as any generic ISO XML or shapefile. So if we have this download selected, it would be downloading to your computer or a USB. If we selected send to equipment, which would be only for CASE IH software currently, we would be able to go in here and select any of these vehicles, as many as we needed, and it would wirelessly push the boundary or prescription over the air and not have to actually physically take a USB to the machine. The machine would get a prompt saying that there was a file received. At a key cycle, it would load the file, and you would be off planting or spraying or whatever you're doing with it without having to physically be at the machine.